thanks for this opportunity. Accolades to you to opening up the process and asking for public input, very important. I think transparency is very important for the public trust. I think as many of the speakers, I guess several of the speakers have already said, there's a great opportunity here to do something different, to look hard and fast at what really does cause economic growth. I would suggest as you draft the RFP that you draft in such a way that you can find a firm that can look at in multifaceted ways that communities actually grow economically. It can't just be one thing. Clearly, this community is not alone that's focused a lot on just cash incentives. And I think there's places to look at in a variety of ways, and firms that can look at those things that really cause economic growth. And that could be one of them, but that's the only thing that I think that we've looked at. You need to find a firm that can look deeply and broadly at these aspects of what causes a community to grow. And also look honestly at what are our competitive cities, what are our comparative cities. And sometimes those are the same, sometimes those are not. And also in the spirit of transparency, I would request or suggest that you put the various versions of the RFP, I'm sure that we'll go through different drafts, put those online so that we can review those. Let us know, when I say us, the public, what firms are you soliciting bids from, and what firms responded to the RFP. And having those responses publicly posted would also increase transparency. It might spur more conversation and more input from the public. So I guess I'll just leave you with this thing. Find a firm that out there that has experience and a proven track record of looking at all of the aspects that cause economic growth, not just one or two areas.